Hello guys, so this is question number 11 of SQL 50 series from LeetCode. So here we are given two tables, one is the employee table and the other one is the bonus table. So in the employee table we have details of the employee ID, name of the employee, the salary and the supervisor ID, that is nothing but the ID of the manager. In the bonus table we have two columns, which is the employee ID again and the bonus amount of the each employee. So we can see that the employee ID, which is something common in both the tables. So in case we want to join the tables, we can join on this column. Now we want to report the name and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than 1000. So this is the condition that the bonus amount of the employee should be 1000. That only we want to retrieve the names of those employees only. So let's see the example input and example output here. We have employee ID, name, supervisor and salary of these employees here, and the bonus table that we have. Now we want the output. In our output we should only have the employee names whose bonus is less than 1000. So we can see that in the bonus table only two employees IDs have been mentioned, that is 2 and 4. So here we see the employee ID 2 has only meets the criteria, that is the bonus should be less than 1000. So the employee ID 2, that means the employee name Dan is there in our output. Along with that we also have Brad and John in our output. Why? Because the bonus records are not mentioned in the bonus table of these two employees. Since we have the bonus records of 2 and 4, but we do not have the bonus records of 1 and 3. So in case if we don't have the bonus records also, those employee ID also, those employee names also needs to be mentioned. So let's begin writing the query now. Select from the table employee table. Since we want for each employee, so we will be using left join here, because we want the employee name from the name of all the employees from the employee table here. So left join bonus table. Let's give the employee table as alias SE and the bonus table as alias B. We will be joining it on employee ID. So E dot employee ID is equals to B dot employee ID, and the condition that we have is B dot bonus should be less than 1000, or one more condition is that B dot bonus can be null, is null. So the second condition selects the employees who don't have a bonus record in the bonus table, and the columns that we want to retrieve his name, which will retrieve from the employee table, and the bonus, which we will retrieve from the bonus table. So let's run the query now and see the output. So we can see that the query effectively identifies all the employees with a bonus less than 1000, including those with no bonus record. And here we can see the names and the corresponding bonus amounts also. So I hope the video is helpful to you. Thank you.